Hello YouTube. Back with another review today. You've probably seen this in my SHTF top guns and my gun collection, but I wanted to do an up-close video of my Glock 21 Gen 4. I got this gun back in February when I got my taxes. I bought this gun alongside of my Glock 22, which I'll do a separate review on later. But this gun I got for $5.99 at a place called Green Mountain Guns, Colorado, in Lakewood, Colorado. It is a Gen 4, as you can see. The Gen 4s come with 3 magazines, which I did some pretty little lettering, coloring in on the lettering. Plus I bought 2 additional mags, 13 rounders. Plus, I bought one of the Happy Sticks, the 26 rounder. This one came with the extension on it, which is now on this mag. So this gives us now 15 rounds, 45. When this extension was on this mag, I had trouble loading it in there. I don't know, something was wrong with it, but when I swapped them out, the plates out, base plates out on them, this one works perfectly fine. This one is a Korean aftermarket mag, but you guys seen my video of me shooting it, and it worked just fine. I didn't have any problems with it. Works just fine. It comes with the cleaning rod and the brush. I bought this Glock tool used for disassembling. Glock tool. And you all know what the case looks like. I put this cheap little laser on. I think it was a $30 Walmart special laser on it. The battery's kind of dead on it. I need to get a new battery in there, but you can kind of see it. I got this thing sighted in perfect at 10 yards, so I can hit anything at 10 yards with this where I aim for it. And this just clips onto the rail right here. A couple screws hold it together. This adjusts for windage and all that stuff. You can adjust them. You guys probably already know how to take a Glock apart, but I'll show you anyways. You just pull back on the slide slightly. Slide that off like that, and it comes off. The Gen 4 recoil spring, which helps with recoil. It's a stiffer spring, I guess. It's a captured spring. And then you got the barrel, which I also did some lettering on. You guys can see. I also did the top. Glock. Little dust particles down there, but nothing too bad. I did clean this one with frog lube, and with the frog lube, it feels wet, but it's not. It's kind of like tacky type. And I guess what the purpose of the frog lube is when you shoot it and everything starts to heat up, the lube expands out from the metal in the barrel, and it provides protection. I should do a video sometime in the future of how to apply frog lube. I'll do that sometime for you guys. And then I got my slide. I painted that too. It's the inside. I do want to get another plate for it, but for now it'll work. I'll just put this back together real quick. We have just like that. That went pretty good actually. Usually I have problems with 21 getting it back. It is safe, just so you guys saw there was no bullets in there. Pull on it. It's not bad. And then the reset. There. It's got your standard sight, Glock sight. I do plan on putting a night sight on there, considering this gun is always in my bedside nightstand. My nightstand gun. I do want to do a couple upgrades to it. I want to do the slide catch. I want to get an extended slide catch. Extended takedown. I want to get extended takedowns. I want to get a 3.5 trigger connect in it. And maybe a bigger extended mag release. And what some people call them, a butt plug. I might stick a plug in there. I don't know yet. I kind of like it the way it is. It comes with removable back strap. Try to say that twice. What you do is you pop this pin out, and then you slide your other strap on over this like this, and then you push another pin through that they provide to you. That's how you change those out. The ammunition that I keep loaded in this is Winchester Golden Saber 230 grain hollow points. When I got this gun, it was in the middle of the Obama scare, so ammunition was really hard to find, and the only ammunition that I could find at the time was the Remington Golden Sabers. You see, I found them at Gander Mountain. I paid way too much for it, but I needed something. I paid $45 for a box of 25. A little too much, but I needed them, so I bought them. I do have 15 rounds in this magazine. That's standard for current Colorado law. 15 rounds, no more than 15 rounds. These are Gen 4 magazines. The difference between the Gen 4 magazines and the Gen 3s, as you notice, you can see the notch right here and right there. Gen 3s only had one side. So that's the difference between a Gen 3 and a Gen 4 mag, from what I was told. I could be wrong. Um, this gun's a pretty good gun. I haven't had any problem with it. Of course, it's a Glock, so you know. You saw me shooting it at the range up in Boulder, my range video that I shot. Anyways, guys, I just wanted to show you my Glock. I haven't done a Glock video yet, up close anyways. So please leave me nice comments. Give me a thumbs up. No thumbs down. Thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching my video. You guys have a wonderful day and stay safe. Thank you very much.